Precision is everything in makeup. The smallest adjustment can make a difference between the look that looks polished and the look that looks unfinished. Our faces are delicate canvases, often needing just tiny corrections for balance and harmony. And when you think of it, most of what we do in makeup is located in strategic lines. Eyebrows, eyeliner, lips, all places where definition matters most. That's why mastering precision isn't just important, it's essential. And today I will show you the tool that makes it all possible, the angle brush. Hello YouTube, my name is Vesta and I'm a student at the Beauty Academy working towards my professional certification as a makeup artist. Here on this channel I share what I learned, my mistakes, observations, and hopefully progress. Stay with me if you would like to see if I actually can become a real professional. Makeup is more than just colors and textures, it's also about structure. Our faces are defined by natural lines and angles, and how we choose to enhance them can totally change the perception of our features. That's where the angle brush becomes indispensable. Its slanted edge isn't just a design choice, it's a functional necessity. The angle allows the brush to naturally follow the contours of your face, adapting to its unique curves and lines. Unlike a straight, thin brush, which can feel rigid and requires more precision from your hand, the angled brush does some of the work for you. It aligns with the natural direction of your strokes, making it easier to create sharp wings, clean brow edges, or even subtle flicks. The difference lies in efficiency and control. A straight brush demands you constantly adjust your wrist angle to compensate for its lack of flexibility. With an angle brush, the slant works with your hand's natural movement, offering precision without the struggle. It's like having a tool that anticipates the shape you're trying to create, so you can focus on the artistry instead of wrestling with technique. Before diving into what angle brush can do, let's talk about their features and properties, because not all of them are equal. The bristles can be natural or synthetic, each offering their distinctive advantages. So the natural bristle brush is good for powders, making them ideal for smoky looks and blend. Synthetic bristles, on the other hand, are firm and designed to work with creams, gels, and liquids, and they offer exceptional precision. Thus, they're perfect for sharp lines and detailed work. Thickness and size also play a huge role. A fine, thin-tipped brush is your best friend for gel liners or creating hair-like strokes for brows. Meanwhile, a thicker or wide-angled brush excels at diffusing product, like when you're blending shadows or softening the edges of your look. The type you choose depends on both the product and the effect you want to achieve. When it comes to eyes, the angled brush is indispensable. If you're working with gel liners or creating sharp graphic lines, reach for a thin, synthetic angled brush. The firmness of the bristles ensures precise application and allows you to easily build intensity without losing control. For winged liner, the slant of the brush acts as a guide, helping you achieve symmetry without straining your wrist. It's like having a tiny ruler for your lids, ensuring your wings soar evenly every time. For soft, smoky looks or blending eyeshadow along the lash line, a thicker, natural bristle angled brush is ideal. It deposits just the right amount of product while allowing for smooth, diffused edges. Brows are another area where a natural bristle brush of a standard size excels. Its firm yet soft bristles are ideal for blending powders or taming brow hairs for a neat, natural finish. This type of brush works particularly well for distributing product evenly and creating a softer, more diffused look, whether you're using brow powder or a tinted gel. If you're after clean, defined edges, a standard natural bristle brush can also be used to blend concealer underneath the brow arc, subtly sharpening the shape while maintaining a polished and effortless appearance. The angled brush isn't just for eyes and lips. It can be a secret weapon for subtle nose contouring. Its slanted edge lets you create soft, straight lines along the sides of your nose, blending products seamlessly for a natural shadow. This is especially handy if you're aiming for precision without harshness. Surprisingly, the angled brush is just as useful for lips. A fine-tipped brush allows you to define the edges of your lipstick with precision, creating a clean, professional finish. It's also great for blending colors or creating an ombre effect by softly diffusing two shades together. And if you're ever struggled with the lipstick bleeding or uneven edges, you can use the brush with a touch of concealer to clean up the lines. Finally, for those who love pushing boundaries, the angled brush is perfect for artistic details. Think intricate graphic liner designs or for freckles or even face painting. Its precise tip and ability to work with a variety of products make it an excellent tool for creative experimentations. As you've seen, choosing the right angled brush, the one that fits your specific needs, can make a huge difference. There are different brushes on the more expensive side of the spectrum and the cheaper ones. That's why I decided to give you a table with cheaper and more expensive options right here. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and stay inspired. Goodbye.